Now, the real power of Layout Builder, in my opinion, is the ability to create sections and then add in custom blocks into those section regions, because then it essentially turns Layout Builder into a proper page builder, which Drupal desperately needs. It is very annoying seeing all of these other CMSs that have amazing page builders, but Drupal doesn't have. So I really do hope that in the next few months, the module ecosystem really increases for Layout Builder so that we can install a few modules and then get reusable block types or something like that. Because another thing is that if you were to create a custom block, so if I was to click on custom block and then add it into this section region, you can't reuse that block in other pages unless you were to go to structure. And so if you were to go to block layout, custom block, and then let's just call this reusable CTA, okay? And click on save. Now, another thing to be aware of is that when you add custom blocks into layouts, the block doesn't actually appear here in this custom block library because it is stored on a per layout or on a per content basis. So you won't see a collection of blocks on this page. That's something to be aware of. But right now we have created this basic block called reusable CTA. And then if I just refresh this page and I click on add section, one column, and then if I search for, I should see under custom, I should see reusable CTA. There we go. It's been added in. And then if I click and scroll to the top and click on save layouts, we have our reusable CTA right here. And the good thing about that is then I can reuse it, but I couldn't reuse this CTA. So let's go back into layout. I couldn't reuse this one. So that's something to be aware of. Maybe there will be a module that supports it and I'm sure somebody will create it. But right now, there are these little things that you just can't do with Layout Builder. But it is the future of Drupal. And I do recommend that you spend a bit of time just getting your head around the module because things will change very quickly once the community starts using it and starts creating modules around it.